You can't rebuild history. All you can do is protect it.
Pasadena Heritage's organizational beginnings were responsible for the salvation of huge swaths of Pasadena that might otherwise have disappeared.
Pasadena Heritage exists to maintain the fabric of Pasadena, its architecture, its culture.
It is a time capsule to 100 years ago, and we can't replace it and we can't replicate it.
Pasadena has a lot of very different, diverse neighborhoods, and so many other cities have destroyed their neighborhoods.
Pasadena Heritage is an advocacy organization for the preservation of our architectural and cultural heritage.
We provide education to the public about Pasadena, its history, and its legacy.
Tours, workshops, lectures, hands-on restoration classes. Once our members and participants understand the value of these buildings, then they become dedicated to helping us save them when they're endangered.
The organization saved quite a few remarkable structures. The Bullocks building, the Colorado Street Bridge, Old Pasadena.
Come on whatever the next tour is, whether it's a pub crawl or a walking tour or a Craftsman Weekend event or the Spring Home Tour.
It really is a way to build the awareness to protect these amazing old structures that we have here.
I imagine you came to Pasadena in part because it is such a beautiful community with so many fascinating historic places, and we would like you to be part of protecting those resources for yourselves, your family, and all the future visitors to our beautiful city.